Buying a home in Ontario means signing a lot of paperwork. Here's exactly what each document is, what it means, and why it protects you in under 2 minutes. First, the RECO Information Guide. This isn't a contract. It's a government-required document your agent must review with you before anything is signed. It explains your rights and the difference between being represented or going it alone. Second, the Offer Summary Document, Form 801, a one-page confirmation that a signed offer exists. It identifies everyone involved, the property, and the offer's timeline. This creates a clear, official record. Third, the Agreement of Purchase and Sale, Form 100. This is the big one, the actual offer. It details the price, deposit, and closing date. Most importantly, it contains your safety nets, conditions for financing and home inspection, letting you exit the deal if something goes wrong without losing your deposit. Fourth, the Buyer Designated Representation Agreement, Form 371. This contract confirms your agent officially works for you, not the seller. It sets the dates for your working relationship, and the good news, the seller usually covers your agent's fee. Finally, Schedule B, Form 105. It's attached to your offer and adds specific conditions, like how your deposit must be delivered and disclaimers reminding you to verify all information yourself. Every single document exists to protect you, but navigating them requires an expert. This is Milad. He has deep expertise in contract clarity, buyer protection, and GTA market knowledge. Milad walks every buyer through each document in plain language before anything is signed. No confusion, no surprises, no pressure, just complete clarity at every step. That is how buyers stay protected from the first showing all the way to closing day. Clarity, strategy, results. Book a free 20-minute call with Milad. No pressure, just answers. Link in bio.